What's up, YouTube? It's Big Gans. The name of the channel is The Gangster Lifestyle. If you don't know, now you know. I represent Indian motorcycles, as you can see. But you Harley riders will be happy to know that the Indian's down. It's in the shop right now. Putting a new clutch package in there. If you know, I did the clutch before back in June, but I had to bring it back in and put in a new clutch hub. You know what I'm saying? So that's getting done right now. So we out here with Ivory. And we over here at Eazy Powder Coating, their annual Bikini bike wash. I'm gonna walk around and show you what's happening at the event, show you the bikes, let you see what's going on out here. A lot of bikes out here. You know what I'm saying? I already took a walk around to see what's going on. Nice big event. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on out here. We hitting up 2 events today. Eazy Powder Coating Bikini bike wash. Then after this, we're going over to Shaolin Riders. They're having their annual fish fry. And I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. As you know, Big Gans, the Gangster Lifestyle. I show up to all the motorcycle events in New York City.
To go to school. Como diabente el hombre. Wow. Here we go, here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Once again, welcome to your 6th annual Bikini Bike Wash. Vamos al reggaetón, vamos al perreo. Gatas only. Llegaron los verdugos, los racing. ¿Cómo? Lalas y sus mujeres.
Mami, te siento lejos, dime dónde estás, te quieres. Te voy a arrastrar, déjate llevar, apaga el celular. Si estás conmigo no te va a pasar nada. Solo déjate llevar, déjate entrar a jugar.
¿Cómo?
Dale, ponte conmigo, conmigo, en el fondo yo te pago. Ahora tú estás linda, mamá, tú mismo es lo que hay de ritmo de TikTok. Me vas a matar, se acabó. Su casa, el motor, que conmigo la hay.
So some of y'all said the Gangster Lifestyle, we don't show no chicks. As you can see, we showing the chicks. It's what it is over here.
Yo por ti me dijo
Come on, come on. Where them singles at? Where them singles at? Necesitamos las papeletas de a uno. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo?
Dame tu y mueve lo que sea, de ti, no.
man right here. For y'all that don't know, this is Butter.
Travis.
Check out his bike night every Tuesday night, especially to this Tuesday. You got his birthday party coming up. Say something for the people, Butter.
If you're not riding the Indian, you woke. Indian all day. We've been on this Indian shit way before niggas jumped on the bandwagon. But we still accepting motherfuckers on the bandwagon. Come see me, Big Gans, Tuesday night, my birthday bash. Indian brothers for life, motherfucker. For life.
You already see what we represent. Indian motorcycles. Butter, do me a favor, real quick. Hold this, catch the back of the vest. Catch the back of the vest.
Come on.
And you know what I'm saying? That's what we represent. Indian motorcycles. I gotta flip it. Oh, you didn't flip it?
If you not riding it, I flip it. If you not riding the Indian, you riding garbage. Basura. Come see me, I'll smoke you. I'll smoke you on my full bagger.
There you go. You already heard. That's for you Harley riders. And y'all already know what's going on. Y'all already know what's going on with Harley. Y'all ready to throw your Harleys in the garbage.
Bring it. We leaning them bitches onto the motherfucking floorboard.
There you go. So you see what's going on over here. Let me show you the victory. Cycles. Victory is part of Indian. Victory part of Indian. What's going on over here? Eazy powder coated Bikini Bike Wash 2024.
You guys are looking like this is a museum when the girls are over here. So they're gonna shut it down if we don't see that money, Ray. Let's go! Get them money, get them singles, we got them dollars.
Yeah, y'all, this is Eazy of Eazy Powder Coating. This is the man that put on for this event. You know what I'm saying? We out here, Eazy Powder Coating Bike Wash. Yo, say something for the people. You on a Gangster Lifestyle experience.
Well, I just want to thank everybody for showing up, everybody that did show up to the event this year. This is our 6th year putting on this event. Always peaceful, never any problems. We got the most beautiful girls washing bikes down the block. Great music, always a good time. Always the brothers come out to show love. Even PD comes out to show us love too. Right? Even the PD comes out to show us love. All the time, dog. Please, we're in Staten Island every year. Same time, we're always here. We love to show support to the community. We love the culture. I'm a part of the bike life culture. I love when everybody comes out and shows love.
All right, just tell everybody the address and everything. If they want to come for all their powder coating needs,
Absolutely.
Bikes, rims, all that.
Absolutely. 148 Lyndhurst Avenue, Staten Island. We are the premier powder coating shop. We are not a rim repair shop. We are a premier powder coating shop. You want your stuff done right? Come to Staten Island. This is where you get it done.
Yep, and that's what it is. Now, you see how we do things out here. So, like, subscribe to the channel. You see I show up at all the motorcycle events.
Yes, he does.
5 boroughs. It is what it is.